Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Yeah. I didn't know Brad was into that stuff.
All
so
those
much.
birds.
And Janelle too. Yeah. They're on my page, but I never, because I don't really care for all her comments or his either. She performs what? Weddings now? Oh, are they? Mm.
I have to leave pretty soon.
But where that other guy that got killed, that was out in Wellington, wasn't it? Oh, is that what it was? Because it said Wellington. Oh. Mm. Okay, well, it's time to go almost. Yeah. Let the puppies out. Aw. Okay. You too. Talk to you later. Bye. What? You gonna get your shoes on
What
now?
I was laughing at was all those birds.
It's 1:15. I know. What are you looking at?
I'm just looking.
1:15.
There was a guy.
Huh?
Squirrels.
I seen 3 of them.
There was a
before.
guy and his bird, and him and the bird were arguing back and forth.
I heard that.
Like, go in cage, shut up!
You want to drink some tea on the way up there?
Yes, but not hot though.
No. But not real cold either, right?
I could just imagine a parrot now. I could just imagine a parrot in Grandpa's voice. Blame dogs.
I know.
How many dressings are on already? I don't like getting those things. Hopefully our house will sound like that. Like it did once before.